Hello, welcome again. We are solving elementary mathematics paper of year 2023 of CDS2 exam. Question number 24 is the combined age of a man and his wife is 6 times the combined age of their children. 2 years ago, their combined age was 10 times the combined age of their children. And 6 years later their combined age will be 3 times the combined age of their children. How many children do they have if each child is at least 2 years old? Option A 2, option B 3, option C 4, and option D 5. So here suppose M is the man age and W is his wife age and C is your children combined age. Then according to first condition, M plus W is equal to 6C. The summation of age of man and his wife is equal to combined age of 6 is equal to 6 times the combined age of children. 6 times the combined age of children. Okay. And 2 years ago their combined age will be 2 from man's age, 2 from his wife age, so it will be x minus 2 minus 3, and the age of the children will be 6 years ago, combined age of the children, c minus 2n. Suppose n is number of children and 2 years ago, so if there are n number of children, so we have to subtract 2n, because here for husband and wife we have to subtract 2 times 2, so here we have to subtract n times 2. Okay, so that will be the combined age of the children, and it is 10 times of the summation of men and women age. Solving this, it will be x minus 4 is equal to 10c minus 20n, or we can put x is equal to 6c. 6c minus 4 will be equal to 10c minus 20n, or further solving it will be 4c minus 20n will be equal to minus 4, or c minus 5n is equal to minus 1. So suppose question number 3. And 6 years later the age of the combined age of the man and his wife will be x plus 6 plus 6, and combined age of children will be c plus 6, and as it is 3 times, so this is the second condition. So x plus 12 is equal to 3c plus 12 plus 18n, or 6c plus 12 is equal to 3c plus 18n, or we can say 3c minus 18n is equal to minus 12. So now from 3 and 5 we have equation in terms of c and n. We can solve for n multiplying by 3, it will be 3c minus 15n is equal to minus 3. So solving this, we have n is equal to 3. Answer is option B.